Fenner Precision Polymers have been a proud British manufacturer of silicon and organic rubber products for over 150 years. The business supplies to a wide range of global markets and industries, all for high-tech polymer materials.
The markets we operate in are really quite diverse, which means that the range of manufacturing skills that we require are also equally diverse.
The business operates in a number of global markets, including construction, mining, agriculture, automotive and transportation.
Every product we manufacture is designed to the most stringent specifications. Each one is handmade by our expert team to meet the highest standards.
We're excited to be designing products now for electric vehicles and for hydrogen vehicles.
We supply a diverse range of polymer products, including high-tech coated fabrics, belting and engineered hoses as part of the James Dawson engineered hose brand.
Developing advanced products in partnership with Michelin allows us to invest in growing our manufacturing capability and a sophisticated programme of R&D. This leverages our expertise in high-tech materials to meet the needs of the most demanding applications.
Our state-of-the-art factories allow us to combine the best of technologies with the skilled manufacturing teams that we have here to produce products that satisfy exactly the requirements of the customer. We take great care to ensure that every product we make meets our customers' specifications. We have highly trained individuals whose job it is to make sure that everything we make meets the customer's needs. It's the combination of world-class manufacturing, worldwide footprint, an effective logistical setup that means we can satisfy a global customer base.
We develop strategic partnerships with our OEM customer base, and we're committed to delivering the highest level of service and of products. Our customers include Caterpillar, Cummins, JCB, National Cash Register, Xerox, amongst others.
Here in the UK, our design and manufacturing team is backed up by a sales support network which is global, covering Asia and North America. We also have warehousing facilities both in Europe, South America and Asia to help serve the world.
We consistently deliver the highest performing products with a dedication to continuous improvement in all of the markets that we serve. Every product we make is manufactured to the highest standards using the best raw materials and hand-built by our expert and skilled workforce.
To remain at the forefront of our industry, it's our job to exploit the capabilities that we have.
All of this capability means that we remain at the forefront of our industry and in touch with the advancing technologies that allow us to design the products of the future.
The key differences between Fenner Precision Polymers and our competitors are that Fenner Precision Polymers has everything in-house, from engineering and development teams to production. With state-of-the-art production equipment, we can offer our customers the best solutions the market is requiring.
It also allows us to lead as one of the most innovative, responsible and high-performing companies in the world.
Our approach to sustainability is a long-term approach.
It is important to develop growth and value that balances people, the planet and economic performance. So we invest in sustainable processes, practices and manufacturing equipment.
Fenner Precision Polymers has a really passionate and motivated team of engineers, customer support. They are dedicated to the products they are manufacturing and really align with the requirements of the customer.
At Fenner Precision Polymers, we are driven by a passion to help our customers move their businesses forward.